根據星期一康城區和選區在野玫瑰黨嘅柯軒文勝出，但係有選民投訴希文喺選舉之中有違規之嫌。由卡西利記者黃永聰報道。
向亞省選舉辦事處書面投訴嘅係華裔投票者林錦堂，佢話響星期一親眼目睹野玫瑰聯盟黨候選人柯軒文響投票站有涉嫌拉票活動。
我見到軒文喺度拉票嘅時候咧，我第一個感覺咧就好愕然咯。我覺得哇咁都得，你冇搞錯啊！即係呢個又多條選舉有冇違法㗎？
一段片係攝於票站之一 Millie McClung 小學，見到軒文接觸票站人士。佢接受本台訪問時表示，佢握手及答謝市民參與投票活動。
It's my third election. I've always checked with Elections Alberta that it's okay to stand outside and thank the voters for coming out.
當時自由黨議員 Ken Hur 要求柯軒文停止，佢話軒文嘅名同埋黨嘅名稱都係印響佢胸前嘅名牌上面，係宣傳，違反咗選舉法第135條。
There's election rules and it says no advertising in front of polling stations. And to me, that placard that says your name and what party you're running for, it's an advertising.
軒文強調自己並冇違規，而 Ken Hur 就要求選舉過程要公平公正。根據選舉法第135條第1章，除選舉辦事處指定人士之外，其他人不得使用單張、卡片、海報、發條同埋紙張進行宣傳。選舉辦營運總監表示，軒文並冇宣傳。
Section 135 of the Election Act addresses elections advertising, and Mr. Henman was not advertising, and he was not inside the building at all doing that.
不過 Westwater 冇回應調查是否完成。林錦堂就話不排除將來組織市民監察選舉活動。
自己組織呢個elections monitoring 即係真係去監察佢喺每個 polling station 嗰度咧，唔會有啲咁嘅事情再發生咯。
軒文響補選中獲勝，打破保守黨響該區數十年嚟壟斷嘅局面。All News 記者黃惠聰響卡加利報導。